Small world. Small world. We good? All right. Come, make this to this place. Yes, man. Thing wants to think blue. Yan. Ah. Yeah, nice and cool. No, it that's so. We're going show on the bridge. Yeah. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We're live on 91.7 FM DYFA Garifuna radio station. We're here this morning. If you look, taking a nice little stroll. It's cool. We just got word that but make we tell our people where we at right now. Right now, we're at Riverside. Riverside, you could take a left if you come in a town for south side. You make a right there by Riverside, the old Riverside Hotel, and you meet this place. But it's a big news that we got to tell you about. Because we're going to watch the World Cup here in about, boy, World Cup don't start 1 o'clock by. So we're not rush it, but we'll take about 15 to 20 minutes on this live, share the live for everybody. Good afternoon, for everybody on this live right now. We just got big word that this store, Riverside Trading, they have a earlier sale. All these things they come for overseas. It's a blowout sale that they have right now. Come, make we check it out. Blowout sale. So Griga and surrounding areas, believe this place here, it is in our nice neighborhood alongside the river. All right, so you know exactly where it is. This place here, right next to this building now, I see it like it in our little hole. But the big things that happen. So big things happening in small packages. Right here, Riverside Trading. So no get a feel the daytime how this thing set. How this thing across we got sweet water across the river. We got that. But you can't it's hard to notice this place here. Really hard to notice this place. But if you follow it and side this nicely brick wall right there, so a lot of things that happen. A whole lot of things. See it right there? Riverside Trading. And I said all the suppliers, we got also got the vendors there. Amazon, Shein, and I got luxury Brazilian food. Right? So you come on in. Come here, make we show you. It ain't our little hole. This place is right next to. You see Mr. Carlos right there by the block. Then we got Riverside right there. Western Dairies. You come across the river and then it's right here. It's small, but not telling me big things come in small packages. This time we talk about. Come on in, Ray. Look, I'm so excited about it that we have to share it. Then thing, it smells like states in here. It's real. I never know, so we want you to know. Look at the bicycles there. We came in here before, but we just a reminder. Look at the bicycle. Look at the baby stroller. Everything I have to do with bike, right here at Riverside Trading. The lures, man, over 3,500. And this is nothing yet. Come. Beach cruiser bike. You got a moped there for the children. They're very safe. And if you talk about safety, you also have to talk about the helmet. So this is different. We're excited about it's different. Water backpack there. If you check out the prices, go out there and check out the prices. We want you to come. We want to share the good news with you, Griga, and the surrounding areas. And you come from all over the place. It's different. It's just cool in here. You look at all the luxury. Look, even have right now. Wheelchair. Right? All the step stool, yeah. And if you look at the price, come on in the red cross there. We never know where it is. We just find out where they place it, and we want to share it with you all. Come on, it's right here in Griga alongside Riverside. That's why they call it Riverside Trading. You got a life jacket. Look at this life vest. These life vests right there, so. See? This thing I'm talking kind of like you never want to know, but they know, but no, they know. No, this is like a little, your car is a little hole in a little wall. But the big things happening. Sunglasses. You know I love my sunglasses, right? I really do. These are I like, look at, you got like for $32.75 each. You got $8.75 each. Whatever style, it's right here. For male and female. You also got some watches. This that look, it don't look like if you pass here, you are thinking like nothing happened. Honestly, that's how I see it. Perfume, Ray. Perfume. BVLGC. Carry. Perfume. Chanel from Paris. Victoria's Secret. The whole works is in here. This is what surprised me about. This is like a surprise attack. They attack me from behind with all these things in a small place like this. But make it tell you, container at the back. We can't show you the container, but containers after containers. If you want wholesale, the prices are negotiable. Come and check out Riverside Trading. But let's go back to this right there. Look at. Before we go outside, on a serious note, this is another play. We come in as DYFA make we show, look the hooks. In the right in everything when it comes to fishing, the different types of baits and tackles, the right, yeah, so make sure you make your way over it. Look at the other kind of. For any type of water condition, you can find the bait that you need right here. I don't know if you never know, but now we don't know. If you never know, now we don't know. Let's take a step outside here. Man, you know what the thing look like when you go shop that was big store that Mexico or a big store that Guatemala. The big store come to you right here. Follow me. All right. No, this is the big deal. This is the real deal right there. Hold on, Ray. Except no water, but right there. Hold on. Sonia Bull, good afternoon. Jesse Julian, good afternoon. Chris Ramos, good afternoon. Jason Tavaria, good afternoon. All of you guys on the live, I want to say good afternoon from Griga. All right. And this is Faye Smith, good afternoon. Clarice Ramos, good afternoon. Andrea Lewis, good afternoon. For everybody on the live. No, I don't have to come in because I have something special for now. Right? No. Make I put this down because I want to see it myself. Back to school directly. You know the complaint I have to wear a black? Sita and it's tough. Sita. Zoom in there for me, Ray. Make me show the people. Look. Look here. I had to pull this thing as hard as I can. They're the quality products, bro. Very light. They're light, but they're durable. See there? Look. Look at it. Man, back to school there. Enough to beat up on yourself. I was telling you why right now. But this is just one style. Right there with different pattern. You have the gray at the back. With this one. You have the red with this one. The same style of shoes, same durability, same class, same style. Right there. See there? Why? It's my favorite right there. My favorite color. Man. And they're tough. If you don't believe me, come check it out. More this side. This one is another style. You see how many styles? 1, 2, 3. We have a lot more. We wish we have the time for showing all the style, but hundreds of different styles. You choose which one, which pattern you want. Check out this one. Wow, man. See? Look here. Look here. And you don't have, wait now, come. See? You got for the young, you got for the old. You got for the babies. Okay. Now, I will do the maths here right now. I'll do a maths because I got maths in my head. Different style, different pattern, different style. Now, we're done with the shoes here right now. Let's show the other ones right there, and then I will explain something to our viewers. This is an everyday blowout sale, right? And you get one of these shoes right there, any one of these shoes, for $50. If you want more than one, $85. So we're not hiding no price. So two, 85, right? One, 50. When you buy two of these shoes, as I say, any one of these shoes right here, any one of them, anyone, any style, we're not hiding anything. We're giving you the prices right now. And I will say, the 10th person who come and buy in now, I got your name chopped down. Just remember, message DYFA right on the messenger. The 10th person, you pick any one of these shoes, it's for you. Right? 10th person. We come by. You have to come by. Right? So you never know. You take your chances. Just like the play Bolida, but honest time when they got 10, you know, went up to 199. You know, they got 10. So your chances of winning one of these is very, very high. Okay? Now, wait, since you're over here, so show them one there. Look at it. Why? People always say it's hard to find Dickies. Dickies expensive. You know, get a real deal. Different colors there. Even the pants, if you want to match it up, right? You can match it up like this if you want to. That look good. But if you want to go real hardcore, see that? This is when you're red in people's eye. You are red in the eye if you go like this. Because you got the pants and you got the shirt. Your eye was red. Trust me. And this is what I like about this store. Everything is here. It ain't our hole. That's the thing where we throw you off. You are a pass fire, just a fly pass. But look, all the sizes you need, where even at wholesale prices, you come and check the owners. They will help you out. Very helpful people. Like I said, for these, guess how much you want there, Ray? 40 bills. And if you think you're smart and you want to buy two, they will sell up, they will take off another $5. So it'll be $75. Just if you think you're smart. If you're not smart, you take one. If I mean me, I take two. Because I pay $75 for two shirts. See that? Real deal. Boy, I wish you can smell this. Fresh. Look. You got that? Real Dickies for all sizes, man. All sizes. So make your way down here to Riverside Trading, ladies and gentlemen. Blowout sale. Trust me. And another thing. Look here. You see this whole box? You can see for side away. This whole box, they sell it to I can't lift it up. The whole box. How many pairs come in our box? Say? 30? Look here. We look here. Come. Come. You think we play? You guys think we're playing? We're not playing. This is the real deal. 30 and then the Ina. Right? Different sizes. One style. Each style have so many different. Why? Make sure it's something the Ina. This is not fake. Why? Because even me. Hold on. Take out one for you. See that? Bam! Why? Yeah. It's incredible. And the thing I like the most about it is light and it's durable. extremely light and durable. If you want to buy the whole thing, you can. This is just a sample. They have hundreds of samples, but inside the container, but trust me, you have thousands. So if you want early back to school thing for your children, you have to complain about, oh, I have to buy $100 pair of shoes for my son and my daughter. No, you don't need to. All you need is $50 from there. That's all you need, $50. And the 10th person who come in and buy, you get one free. But you have to buy now. We're not correct. 2 of these. I say this what I have to say. Any 2 pair, $85. Belize dollars. How much US? Right? Like 42.50 US. You never get a deal like this ever in your life. What's up? All right, hold on. Make an answer. Yes, they are. Like we mentioned, any style, one for $50. Any style, one for $50. This is a big sale, you know, all year round. This is not just gimmicks. This is a huge sale. Right now, I could count 3 and 3, 6 and 2, 8 big boxes. I have 30 pairs. All right, come on now. You could seat yourself. We don't have to tell you no. We don't have to come and seat yourself. Look across the area. Make sure right there. See, we are live, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot miss it. And this is mind-boggling because it just come. We don't need no big storefront where I give you a whole lot of things and still overcharge you. These people will not overcharge you. And that's why we want everybody to come and get ready. I don't know if they raise the price. I can't promise you that. We don't look like it. Because I could tell you right now, you go compare prices if you want. You will never beat it. Just to start off with, $75 for one. And then I say, oh, I give you a little discount. I'll still charge for $65. No, but here at Riverside Training, these shoes, one for $50, 25 US dollars. And because all the taxes done, including that. We never say, okay, we'll charge you $50, I'll be 55, 50. It's 50, it's 50, it's 50. 2 shoes is $85, $85, $85. Come on out, a lot of shoes there. It's real. We have now, remember, school fees is free. So you don't have to worry about school fees anymore. All you have to worry about is make sure your children get a good quality pair of sneakers to go back to school. That's all you need to worry about. Which one? Boy, these are my favorite, and I want to show. I'm not going to show them these shoes. This is my favorite. I'm not going to show them. I refuse to show them because I might want to. Man, not show them, Ray. Please don't, please don't show them my shoes because they will go off. Right? It's a sample, right? And I don't even want to talk about it, Ray. I don't want to talk about it. Again, the price, Miss Lopez, the price, like I said, I mentioned. Let me type it in the live. Let me type it in the live. $50 for any pair of shoes. Any pair, $50, and 2 pairs for $85. And this is for the whole year, right? For the remainder of the year. 2 pairs for $85. So if you have 2 children, they save you right off the bat. If you got 3 children, you pay your next $50. If you got 4, you pay $85. Simple maths, nothing complicated. And same thing goes for the shirts, for the Dickies. And the only Dickies, no other shirt, and nowhere else you'll find Dickies like that. I could tell you right now, any store out there, you'll find a Dickies. The cheapest Dickies will be for $60. Cheapest. Here at Riverside Trading, the Dickies, they are for 40 bills. 40 bills for 275 bills. All right, so with that, ladies and gentlemen, I must go. Make sure you check out the spot. Make sure you check out the spot. Make sure you share this live. Don't be selfish. Not because there's a big blow sale here that you'll keep it yourself. Make sure you share the live. I want to thank our partners of Hot Off the Press right now. I want to thank DYFA Garifuna Radio Station for putting this forward. We're here at Riverside Trading, where is a whole new container full of shoes. It's a treat. You don't need to catch no bus for go to Chitomal because bus fare alone will cost you $50 just on bus fare. Right? And you have to eat too. Right? You pay another $30 for food. That done $85. So why not put that money right here and save time going that way? They bring Melcher, Chitomal, US, all, that's why we're Shein and Amazon, they bring it right here to Riverside Trading. So come on out. We could see a display on the table. You could see, make we see the case one more time. Pants and shirt, you could match it up. And don't be afraid to match it up with black and red, could match up too. Not only red and red could match up. Right, yeah? You could match up this too. All sizes too. You can match this up too. Any way you want. So if you don't feel like wearing red, so if I encourage you not to forget one of each color. And man, I never noticed this. Even for children. I even look for messed up man here. Even for kids. Kids like play and rip up they don't have to rip. They are a good material. Tough. Durable. Same price. Alright? Boy, there are kids that boy get to again. See? They ease the children again. 1 for 35. Why? 2 for 65. Another $5. They keep giving discount after discount. Every time you talk, you get more discount. But when you get here, the discount ceases. That's why we're giving the price you can when it's no hidden charges here. Everything is factory to you. No middleman. No middleman. Factory to you. So that middleman cost, the transportation, the other logistics and whatever. You don't need that. Bring it straight to Griga. All right, so I gotta go, ladies and gentlemen. I watch this World Cup game and I don't miss 28 minutes. I don't know who to win the game, but if you're watching the game halftime, come over here and get your stuff. All right, so with that said, ladies and gentlemen, from DYFA, Hot Off the Press, we're here along the Riverside, North Riverside, across from the Ice Sweetwater place there, across from the Lee Salon, right across the river there. You could just come across if you want on a boat by the bridge, or you could swim across if you want. Because if you swim across, you'll find some fishing line thing in there. All right? Wow. Either way, you take a left. One last thing, way. You see how we thirsty right now? We tired? You noticed that, right? Right? All right, good. Why? I was taking